What if I told you, your small space isn't the problem, your furniture is? Today, we're reviving furniture with smart, space-saving folding table ideas that look stunning, function brilliantly, and fold away when you don't need them. If you love clever woodworking solutions, this video is for you. Welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, the channel where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, today's ideas will help you build more with less space. Let's jump into 10 creative folding table ideas that completely transform how you use your home. Idea number 1, wall-mounted drop-leaf table. First up, the classic wall-mounted drop-leaf table. Fold it down when you need a workspace, fold it up when you don't. Perfect for kitchens, study corners, or compact apartments. Next, the Murphy-style folding desk. Hidden inside a cabinet, it opens into a full-size workstation and disappears instantly. Clean, modern, and incredibly satisfying to build. Idea number 3, fold-down balcony table. Short on outdoor space? A fold-down balcony table attaches directly to the railing. Great for coffee, plants, or evening snacks, without sacrificing floor space. Idea number 4, convertible shelf to table. This one's a crowd favorite. A bookshelf that folds into a table, functional art at its best. Closed, it stores decor. Open, it becomes a sturdy table in seconds. This is the beauty of woodworking. You don't just build furniture, you solve problems. Every hinge, joint, and fold turn limitation into opportunities. Idea number 5, folding kitchen island. A folding kitchen island gives you extra prep space when cooking, then folds away neatly once the job is done. Ideal for small kitchens and smart homes. Idea number 6, wall-mounted dining table. Why dedicate space to a table you use once a day? A wall-mounted dining table folds down for meals and vanishes afterward. Simple mechanics, huge impact. Idea number 7, fold-out workbench. For garage woodworkers, this is gold. A fold-out workbench provides serious strength without permanent bulk. Clamp it, cut it, fold it, done. Idea number 8, coffee table with flip-top expansion. A stylish coffee table that expands upward into a workspace or dining surface. Compact on the outside, powerful on the inside. Idea number 9, folding study table for kids. A child-friendly folding study table encourages learning without clutter. Safe edges, simple hinges, and easy storage make it a perfect DIY project. Idea number 10, portable folding picnic table. Finally, a portable folding picnic table. Great for outdoor adventures, markets, or weekend gatherings. Strong, lightweight, and easy to store. If you love these ideas and want step-by-step woodworking plans, visit woodcraftingideas.com, where you'll find detailed tutorials, measurements, and inspiration to build smarter furniture. Thank you for watching DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. If this video inspired you, hit like, share it with a fellow woodworker, and subscribe for more creative, space-saving woodworking projects. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep crafting smarter.